I'm trying to install SonarQube installation in Windows Server. So how will start SonarQube to install in our window? So firstly we will go for this community edition. Click on this link and then download this community. So community means it's free, developers, enterprise and data center are there. So if you want to install in your local machine, that will be free version. You can go for this community. So here is the community. You can download this. So once this will be downloaded, then it doesn't start. You will click this one. If not started, then we have already downloaded. Now it will going for the download. So once this will be downloaded, then you need to extract this file. Why we use SonarQube? SonarQube is used to check the code coverage, the status of the code, what are the code string, how many percentage has covered and all. So this all will be checked through the SonarQube. SonarQube which is used for the testing. So that check all those code code qualities and all through the SonarQube. So you need to add these configurations in your applications or microservices while you are using SonarQube. So this is downloaded. Now I am going to extract. So once you will extract, then you have to do the extract all of SonarQube, and then once extracted, once it will be extracted, then we will open this folder. So this is extracted. You open this one, and inside that we have to go step by step. We extracted this SonarQube folder after download, then copy this directory to disk C. Open SonarQube. If anywhere you can copy, but better you have to copy this in the C drive, and then open SonarQube bin Windows 64 and then command promo or PowerShell administrator to run the SonarQube manually. So what we have to do here, this SonarQube we are placing to the C drive. So you have to place in this C drive program file. Okay, so I have given the permission. Now open this SonarQube, then go for the look, open this one bin window. So this is the bin. Here we have to go for the window because this is for window machine, and then open this command promo or PowerShell administrator to run the SonarQube manually. So here is the SonarQube start Q1. So does not run. So if you click here, then this is not running. Why? Because of default port is 9000, and you can also browse SonarQube HTTP this one. Once this browsers will run, then this will show 9000. So why it's not working, we'll check. So this is the way which I have to download it, extracted, placed in C drive. Now this command prompt or PowerShell you can open and run this SonarQube. So once you run, this console will show like I started with 9000, and also you can see the localhost, this login. If you want to change the password, you can change this whole passwords and all, and add. To stop the SonarQube, direct Control C, and then we have running SonarQube as a service on window. Then this will also. So we'll see why it's not happening. So let's start SonarQube, run as administrator. Yes. and see the SonarQube pet file. SonarQube service. Showing there is some issue in this machine, can't start the service. From command line debugger, a Windows service must have stopped. So this is the step which we have to do, but for me SonarQube is also not running. We have to check here. Either we can go for this control panel systems, there new variables, create a SonarQube, add this SonarQube home and Sonar home, and secondly to this config wrapper config. Here we have defined this path like this. So the simple way we have this way, which will be do. If you want you can refer, but that way we can do SonarQube installation. Just click on this SonarQube and then I have this one. My machine is not allowing for this due to some prerequisites. So this is the SonarQube. Here pin have a window X, and then we'll start SonarQube. Once you will start it, then by default localhost 9000 is the port. There you can click and see the SonarQube status. The same we can integrate in our application, microservices and all, and then do the same. So this is the SonarQube installation. If you want you can do the step by step. Others have alternatives. If not working, then add this environment variable in your machine and then do the path added, and by using command line you can start and stop or delete the SonarQube things. So this is the way. If you want you can also add the create shortcut and all, but it's a simple while you run this application or need to integrate the SonarQube. Just download, extract, and then start on it. Yeah, that's from my side.